there's an update, that's why I'm filming right now. Don't mind my avatar, I did change it. But I'm pretty sure there was an update. If not, I've got some things to do in Corsa Legend. I've actually been grinding, and that is something else I've been doing over the past 2 maybe week that I haven't filmed. There's been an update about coins. I'm pretty sure I filmed that update, and it's actually faster to get these coins and than just saving up for the codes. And I have been doing this, and I have pretty sure 500 horsepower. So I do have a 32 now. Holy crap, I'm not having a good day with my today. I did buy this 30. A lot of OGs will remember what I mean by taco songs. That's supposed to be But what I do is I usually so I'm pretty sure on my YouTube profile picture it actually has tinted windows, so I check that. So if I'm on a way, I just buy $1,000 of parts, go to merge parts, and just merge all of these parts together. Just like that. And then we have this that I won't have enough, but and then you just put all of this stuff in once you have enough. Once again, I don't have enough. And yeah, and then you have Revol for all of these that I once again won't have enough. And yeah, of course I do that. You can also repair here. We'll repair my car. And you can do oil changes. That I will do an oil change. And I will go for my car. And this is where you can buy things. And if you have a bunch of tires, I keep them. But if you have any of these background color things, sell them on any of these, because you will not be able to merge them. Unfortunately, you can't merge them. I find that kind of weird. And you'll see what I'm doing with the R32 next video. So the best one so far I'm still searching for the best engine. But yeah. don't know whether it's a bit yes, it does take joint have it. Is you're looking for the straw and yeah, that's that is what they means. This you having to this is the best. That's best. That's pursuing so well, so yes, this is bent. I'm still looking for the normal. Let's actually look at it. Don't put S balls, they suck. Just put lowered. Now the setup I'm using for turbos I've shown. Don't get them body, just put lightweight because they don't put lightweight everything. Don't put the anti-vol things. They use things that you don't want. And I'm using these tires for now until I technically have to use bird tires because this car's pretty. Like the vases, I get the coins instead, so you can. These were short. This one do not get free hands and yeah, it's Canada. This is gonna take so long to figure this out. I'll be back. First video I did on Corsa Legends. It's the best one, but I reckon I have made better videos. Anyway, we're back in my car. That time I was only making 1,000. So now I make 2,000. I would be able to beat the old